Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you some smooth neo-soul chords. So let's get right into this. We're going to be loosely in the key of E flat major. We can consider it C minor or E flat major. Okay, same notes. The only difference is the starting point. Now, if you do want to understand how to play in all 12 keys, I do have a guide that you can download over at the site to master all 12 major and minor keys. So go ahead and check that out. And if you also want to learn how I'm able to pick up a lot of these movements within a few minutes, I do have a program called Master the Piano where I walk you through the entire musical learning process from scratch. So go ahead and check that out. We go over the fundamentals, chords, progressions, how to break down songs. And if you want to take your playing to the next level and apply the concepts that you learned from the guides, I highly recommend joining the Simple Keys Lab. It's going to be the best place to take your playing to the next level and also learn how to play or apply the concepts that you learned from those guides. So go ahead and check that out. So let's quickly go over this movement. It's really smooth. Very neo-soul-esque. All right. Now, the approach here is really sweet. We kind of break the rules a little bit, and that's the beauty about neo-soul is that we do have the regular diatonic chords that we play for every key. So if we're in the key of E flat major, there's certain chords that fall naturally on each tone. But when you're playing neo-soul, you have a greater understanding of music, so you tend to borrow chords from other keys. So let me show you these chords real quick. So the first chord we're playing here is really smooth chord. This is like an E flat major 9 over G. All right, and we've taken out the root from here and put it up top. So it's a G, an F, B flat, E flat. This is outside the key. Now we're gonna be playing pretty much an F major add 9 over A. So G, C, F over A. All right. Next chord here is a G major add 9 over B. All right. So that's an A, D, G over B. So then we're going to play a C major 7 here. So C octaves, B, E, G. All right, from the top. So that's really sweet. And another thing I like to do here is just add this E here as well. Just adds a little bit more color to it. You can go very subtle. If you can make the stretch, go ahead and try it. But I'm so used to doing the stretches that I keep it in there. So one more time. All right, and I'm playing a grace note here as well. So it's like pretty much an E minor chord. So B, E, G over C. C major 7. Last chord, F minor 9. So F, A flat, C, B flat, G. All right, and that's the entire movement. So. All right, so that's an idea you can mess around with and play around with. And if you like this, go ahead and leave your feedback in the comments section. But we're going to end this video here. It's a really nice movement that you can add to your playing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and let me know if you want to learn more of this type of stuff. But we'll end this video here. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Y'all take care.